Before we start anything, let's think about how we can solve this question. Here you can see the product of x cube and e to the power of x squared. So we can apply the integration by parts method. But the question is, if we give priority to x cube, it will become x to the power of 4 over 4, and after that we need to integrate the product of x to the power of 4 over 4 times the differentiation of e to the power of x squared, which will be more complex. So we can give priority to e to the power of x squared. But the question is, we don't know the direct integral answer for it. So what can we do? Let's substitute u equals x squared. Then we can reduce the complexity of this function. And after that, we can simplify it using the integration by parts method. Clear? Let's jump into the question. Substitute u equals x squared. Differentiation with respect to x. Differentiation of the u value we can write as du over dx. Differentiation of the x squared value we can write as 2x to the power of 1. After that we can cross multiply denominator value dx, and we can subject dx value as du over 2x. Let's move to integration part. Instead of dx value, we can substitute du over 2x. Instead of x squared value, we can substitute u. Then we can cancel out x to the power of 3 value for the denominator value x. Denominator value 2 is a constant. So we can bring 1 over 2 value outside of the integral. Then we have 1 over 2 integral x squared times e to the power of u. Instead of x squared value, we can substitute u. To simplify e to the power of u times u integral, we can use integration by parts method. Integral of e to the power of u, write as e to the power of u. We can write the value of u as it is, minus integral e to the power of u times differentiation of the u value. Differentiation of the u value equals 1. Now we need to get integral of e to the power of u. Integral of e to the power of u equals e to the power of u. Finally, instead of u value, we need to substitute x squared. Then we have final answer 1 over 2 within bracket e to the power of x squared times x squared minus e to the power of x squared.